team of scientists has unlocked the potential of 6G communications with a new polarization multiplexer. Terahertz communications represent the next frontier in wireless technology, promising data transmission rates far exceeding current systems. By operating at terahertz frequencies, these systems can support unprecedented bandwidth, enabling ultra-fast wireless communication and data transfer. However, one of the significant challenges in terahertz communications is effectively managing and utilizing the available spectrum.
Google is to release an update to its Gemini AI that returns the ability to generate images of people, though it will initially be limited to paying customers. Google disabled Gemini's ability to generate any images of people in February after it produced anachronistic historical images, including a Native American man and Indian woman to be representative of an 1820s-era German couple, an African American founding father, Asian and indigenous soldiers to be members of the 1929 German military, and diverse representations of a medieval king of England, among other examples. Gemini Advanced provides access to the best of Google AI for $19.99 per month, including access to next-gen models and 1 million token context window. Google says it's made significant progress in providing a better user experience when generating images of people with its Imagen 3 text-to-image generator.
RTM, Malaysia's government-owned major broadcaster, has turned to Calrec and its regional partner JA Systems to provide the technology and support across a multi-year move to audio over IP for its radio station network. RTM will install a total of 192 type R fader panels and 104 type R cores. So far, 75 type R cores across 9 regional radio stations are up and running, and 29 type R cores in 4 more of its regional radio station networks will shortly be installed.
Qvest, a digital transformation partner for broadcast, media, and entertainment, has appointed Jonas Michaelis as its new Chief Strategy Officer. His main responsibilities will be to implement the company's global strategy and to strengthen collaboration between Qvest's global offices in Europe, USA, Australia, and the MENA region. As an expert in the development of new business areas, Jonas Michaelis has been leading the global development of the Qvest spin-off Qvest, the low-code integration platform for media workflows, as CEO since the beginning of 2021. Michaelis will retain this role alongside his new position as CSO and will continue to be responsible for strategy and marketing at Qvest. Prior to joining Qvest, Michaelis worked at BCG and Picus Capital as a digital business model consultant.
Zhiyun will be showcasing new film and video tools at IBC 2024 in Amsterdam. The company will be demonstrating its lighting and stabilizer products, including the Crane, Weebill, and Cinepeer series, which are tailored to the diverse needs of consumers. In particular, Zhiyun is set to present several gimbals, including the Crane 4, Weebill 3S, Crane M3S, and Smooth 5S AI, along with the Cinepeer series models such as Crane 4E, Weebill 3E, and CQ5. A set of lights will consist of nearly all innovative LED models from X, M, G, and B lines, as well as the Cinepeer lineup. Zhiyun is located at booth 11A26.
Are you heading to the IBC show 2024, just like briefly? If so, we offer you a win-win deal. Secure your spot for a video interview to promote your products, highlight your innovations, and attract more visitors to your booth.
Your message will reach hundreds or even thousands of media professionals. We guarantee you a professional approach with a stand-up and multi-angled B-roll footage that engages viewers more effectively than stand-up only shots.
The video will be edited and published the same day or next morning at the latest. Pre-show video announcement to be included in Briefly are also available. Our rates are more than friendly. Drop us a message if you're interested.